Namaste. Today I am back with new mudra, and that is Varun mudra. In Varun mudra we use our thumb and little finger. You have to touch the tip of thumb and little finger like this. Rest three fingers are straight and relaxed. You can do this sitting on the floor. If you are not able to sit on the floor, you can do this sitting in the chair or sofa as well. This is very helpful for the skin. It reduces dryness of skin and makes your skin glow. It balances water in your body. It is good for reducing dry cough. This is helpful in itching. It is very good to reduce or eliminate any problem related to skin. Keep practicing this. Stay happy and healthy. Namaste.